Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
Looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it's Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Finally, Audrey too. This friend is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, anybody cares neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax, sweetheart. And do me a favor, will you?
A favor?
I'll leave you some water. In the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
She'll do a drink instead.
The branches are dry. What
Don't need no glasses, no eyes.
Nothing can.
Don't need no taste of love. And now it's summertime. Relax, sweetheart. Then it'll be easier. Come, join your dentist friend and bust it. Audrey, no! Get off of her! Get off of her! Audrey, are you all right?
Yes. No.
Don't die, Audrey. I need you. Please don't die.
You know, the plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Audrey and Mr. Bushnick were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, see.